Once upon a time, there was a fluffy cat named Whiskers. Whiskers loved to nap in sunbeams and chase butterflies. In the same house lived a tiny mouse named Squeak. Squeak was afraid of almost everything, especially cats. One day, a big, playful dog named Woof came to live with them. Woof had clumsy paws and a bark that could shake the house. Whiskers saw Squeak and wanted to chase him because cats do that. Squeak saw Whiskers and ran away, squeaking in fear. Woof saw Whiskers and wanted to play, wagging his tail excitedly. Whiskers hissed at Woof because he didn't want to play. Woof felt sad because he just wanted to make a friend. Squeak peeked from his hole, watching them both. One day, Woof accidentally bumped into a shelf, knocking down a vase. The loud noise scared Squeak, and he ran straight into Whiskers. Whiskers could have caught Squeak, but he saw how scared he was. Instead of chasing Squeak, Whiskers licked him gently and let him go. Woof felt bad about scaring Squeak and licked him too, making him giggle. Whiskers and Woof learned that Squeak was ticklish. From that day on, Whiskers, Squeak, and Woof were the best friends. They learned to understand and appreciate each other, even though they were different. Whiskers still chased butterflies, Squeak nibbled on cheese, and Woof barked at squirrels. But they always came back to each other for cuddles and friendship. The end.